Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Log into your SSO ID using your credentials because waiting wastes time. Once logged in, go to Profile and select Edit Aadhaar. This initiates the linkage process. You need your Aadhaar number and the scanned PDF ready, since the portal validates document format and size. Make sure your registered mobile is active for OTP. Without it, you cannot complete authentication. This first step confirms identity and prepares the system to accept the updated Aadhaar data. Now you proceed to the core update. Type your Aadhaar number and check the prefilled name and date of birth. Correct any mismatch before upload, because corrections later take longer. Upload the scanned Aadhaar page in the accepted format. Clarity matters, so automatic OCR reads your data accurately. Once uploaded, request the OTP to your Aadhaar-linked mobile, enter it immediately, and review the preview screen. This step both authenticates you and ensures the system records the exact details you intend to update. Finish by submitting the update and note the reference ID displayed. This ID lets you track progress, so copy it down. You will receive a confirmation SMS and email once the update moves to verification. Make sure to allow the stated processing time, since manual checks may occur. If something goes wrong, for example, OTP failures or mismatched name, retry OTP after checking mobile network, or contact SSO support with your reference ID. This closes the loop and helps resolve common hiccups efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.